Hi, I'm myself G. Vishnuvardhan from CSMC, and my roll number is 23 4G 1A33J1. So, I have chosen the topic architecture of expert systems, and now I am going to start the about architecture of expert systems. So, first of all, I would like to start the PPT with by giving introduction about expert of systems. And expert systems are computer programs that mimic human expertise in specific domains. They utilize knowledge bases and inference engines to make decisions or solve problems. So, understanding their architecture is crucial for developing effective and reliable expert systems. Here is a diagram about the expert systems. Let us know about that. And expert system, its terminology. And knowledge engineering, the discipline of acquiring, encoding, and using human domain knowledge to develop a computer application. And next, expert system, a computer program that uses domain knowledge to perform a specific task, usually human experts' performance. And next, knowledge base, a set of rules and facts describing the domain of an application. Next comes to inference engine, a program that imposes a general control strategy how to system. And let us move on to the next. And next is about components of expert system. There are some components of expert system. Let us know about them. The primary component include the knowledge base, inference engine, and user interface. So the knowledge base contains domain specific facts and rules. The inference engines applies logical rules to the knowledge base to derive conclusions. And next, knowledge base. The knowledge base is a repository of information that the expert system used to make decisions. It consists of facts, heuristics, and rules, often gathered from human experts. A well structured knowledge base is essential for the accuracy and effectiveness of the system. Here is the diagram, the knowledge base systems. Let us look after that. The knowledge base systems is categorized into two, that is three, that is expert systems, knowledge based artificial intelligence, and knowledge based engineering. And the knowledge based artificial intelligence is distributed into three, two, that is statistical corpora and knowledge bases. And let us move on to the next topic, that is inference engine. The inference engine is the core component that process the knowledge base. It uses techniques such as forward chaining and backward chaining to the conclusions. And the efficiency of the inference engine directly impacts the performance of the expert systems. Here is the small diagram that knows about the inference engine, that is human expert to the human knowledge engineer, and knowledge base inference engine, user inference, and user may be an expert. So we get some idea about the inference engine by knowing the diagram. Let's move on to the next topic, that is user inference. What is meant by user inference? Let us know about it. The user inference facilitates interactions between the user and expert system. Before we have studied about the inference engine. So now we are going to study about the user inference. That is, user inference interface facilitates interaction between the user and expert system. It is designed to be user friendly and allowing non-experts to the leverage functions, leverage the system's capabilities. And effective user inference can enhance user satisfaction and system usability. Here is the small diagram that gives a brief idea about the user inference. So let us have a look on it. Uh, this gives you a brief explanation about the user inference, and next move on to the another topic called knowledge acquisition. What is my knowledge acquisition? Let us know about it. Knowledge acquisition is the process of gathering and organizing knowledge for the expert system. This can involve interviews, literature reviews, and collaborations with the domain experts. And successful knowledge acquisition is a vital for creating a robust knowledge base. These three sentences gives about the knowledge acquisition and gives some idea about what is knowledge acquisition. And next, types of expert system. Now we are going to know about the types of expert systems, and there are various types of expert system, including rule based, frame based, and neural expert systems. So rule based systems rely heavily on if then rules for decision making, and frame based systems are structured representations of knowledge to facilitate reasoning. There is a some small diagram that gives a brief idea about the rule based expert systems. Let us have a look on it. Here is the structure of expert systems, that is knowledge base, inference engine, and explanation of the subsystems. Let us know about knowledge base. Consists of a predicate, calculus, facts, and rules about the subject at hand. And let us know about the inference engine. Inference engines consist of all the processes that manipulate the knowledge and manipulate knowledge. The knowledge is based to the deduce information requested by the user. And next, explanation about a subsystem. What is meant by subsystem? Let us know about it. Analyzes the structure of the reasoning performed by the system and explains it to the user. There is a small flowchart about this. Let us have a look. Expert and user. So this is the small flowchart about the expert system. We can have a brief explanation about it, and next move on to the applications of expert systems. There are some applications of expert systems. Let us know about them. Expert systems are widely used in fields such as medicine, finance, and engineering. So why we use medicine, finance, and engineering? Why we use in them of expert systems? Let us know about them. Why it is used in the medicine, finance, and engineering? So let us know about it. Uh, they assist in diagnosis diseases and managing investments and solving complex engineering problems. So we have discussed that these expert systems are used in a field such as medicine, finance, and engineering. So these diagnosis diseases are used in medicines, and managing investments that are used in finance, and solving complex engineering problems. These are applied in engineering. And next, the adaptability of expert systems makes them valuable tools across numerous industries. And there is a small diagram that gives a brief idea about applications of expert systems. So let us know about that. Expert sites applications versus conventional sites applications. So what are expert systems applications and conventional systems applications? Let us know about them. Here is a distinction between them. So let us know about them. Problem solving demands dynamic, constant driven applications of facts, relationship, and rules. And when comes to conventional system applications, problem solving requires predicate and a repetitive sequence of actions. And next, let us comes to uh, expert system applications. System performance is measured in degrees and of accuracy and completeness, where explanation may be required to establish correctness. Next, about conventional systems applications. Simple criteria are used to determine accuracy and completeness. So after reading this, we have gotten a small idea where the applications of expert and conventional systems. Let us move on to the another. Challenges in expert system architecture. What is meant by challenges taken in system expert system architecture? Let us know about them. So uh, one significant challenge is maintaining the knowledge base As we know, as new information about the uh, becomes available. Another challenge is ensuring the inference engine can handle complex reasoning tasks efficiently. User acceptance and trust in expert systems also play a critical roles in their successful development. So here is a small diagram which gives a brief idea about which challenges are taken in expert system architecture. So let us know about the architecture of expert system. So the knowledge from a expert is transferred to the knowledge base, and then rules which are going to take the rules that are given by the expert. So it will be expected by the expert system and sent to the user, and a sample input, and that advisor is going to give the user, means non-expert user. So sample input given to the user inference, and then rules engine. And we have got some idea about architecture of expert system by knowing the diagram. And next, future trends in expert system. What are future trends in expert system? Let us know about it. The integration of machine learning and artificial intelligence is a shaping of the future of expert systems, and advances in natural language processor, which are called NLP, are improving user interaction with expert system. The ongoing evolution of technology, which will lead more to more sophisticated and versatile export systems. And next, move on to the next topic. Uh, to complete this PPT, I have some references, like there are books. These are the some of the books which I referred to that. And finally, I'm going to conclude my speech by saying PPT by saying that thank you. Thank you, ma'am.